Welcome back for day 2 of this bedroom makeover. Yesterday we got most of this large wall painted, and you're probably wondering why I'm not finishing that one before moving on. And the reason is I am bored of that wall, so we'll get to it eventually. I thought I was going to get way more done today, but instead my car overheated while I was picking my kids up from camp. So I had to deal with that, and I was in no mood to continue painting once I got home. However, watching this back and editing, I did still get a good amount of painting done, so we will just keep trucking on through and get it done when we can. I have been extremely grumpy all week, and before my car broke down yesterday, I was already complaining to my husband that I was having a terrible week, and I really do believe that thoughts become things, so I am really determined to change my attitude. But first, I had to angrily remove these light cover plate things, and I'm telling you, nothing has ever taken longer in the history of things taking long. So that just added to my frustration, and this was all before the car situation. I was already so grumpy. By the way, what are we doing with these intercom systems that are in older 90s houses? If it worked, I would probably use it, but it doesn't work and it's ugly. So if you have any tips or ideas, kindly drop them below. So back to my bad attitude. I decided today, well, this video was yesterday, but I'm doing the voiceover today to get back on a good morning routine. I used to get up at 4:30 every day, and you would think I would be tired and more grumpy, but I always felt way better because I had time to read my Bible, work out, and get ready for the day before the chaos had a chance to begin. So today I tried to get up at 5 and ended up rolling out of bed at 5:17. So I'll take it for the first day. I honestly didn't even believe in my own self that I could get up because I've been saying I'm going to do it for weeks. But I was watching some of Brooke Raybold's videos on her morning routine, and I'll tag her below, and I got really inspired. So I did it. I got up, made my bed, drank water, read the Bible, worked out, showered, and got dressed, and I really do feel better, other than remembering that I have to continue dealing with my car today. All I really want to do is keep working on this bedroom. This room is so big, which is amazing, but the walls are never ending, so that's what we got done today. And by we, I mean I, but for some reason when I'm doing voiceovers, I speak as if I am a collective group of people. Hope you're enjoying my random thoughts while I paint. If you love a good DIY, follow along, and I'll see you tomorrow.